Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good, family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. Today we're actually gonna go ahead and get into how to style Fashion Nova men for the fall and winter seasons. I'm gonna show you guys some items that they actually did bless me with. I'm gonna also leave Fashion Nova men linked at the top of the description. If you guys are interested in any of these items, go ahead and let me know down below. I'm gonna leave my link in there as well. They usually have some crazy ass deals that you don't want to miss out on, but don't forget to slap a big like on this video if you would like more content like this. Anything you would like me to do as far as Fashion Nova goes, let me know in the comments as well, and I will go ahead and get that done. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click those post notification bells so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. And with all that being said, man, let's go ahead and get straight to it. I'm gonna just start picking items off the top. I don't even know exactly how I'm gonna style them yet, but I'm gonna throw them here on the side and just show y'all some outfits that I feel like work from these items that I did order. I'm not even gonna lie, the sweats that I'm wearing right now are literally Fashion Nova. These are just some everyday black sweats. Honestly, bro, I've been wearing these almost every day. They're so cozy. You could literally sleep in these, and I really do love them because lately it's been a little nippy, and these have protected me from these severe conditions and weathers out here. It's been raining and just bad, so I have been wearing these sweats. They're actually pretty clean, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Let's start with these pants right here. These have caught my eye for a long time. I've been looking at them and I just never pulled the trigger, but this time I went ahead and did it. I want to see what these look like. These do have like some zippers right here. They don't have as many rips, which is something that I'm going for since it's gonna get really cold. These look a little bit big, but I'm gonna still freak them, you know what I mean? It has no rips on the back, and they also have zippers at the bottom. That's a controversial topic because I feel like that's kind of going out of style. These are hard body. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all exactly how I would style these right here. And I feel like with some Air Force Ones or something simple like that, you could definitely pull these off. Maybe some Jordan 1s depending on how the cuff is at the bottom. Next, we do have the zip up plaid shirt. This one looks like a banger, I'm not even gonna lie. I wanted this in like a bluish color and it's sold out. I'm low-key on the lookout for that. It has the distressed edges on it, and I feel like this yellow color is something that you don't often see, and I just feel like they killed it with this piece. It looks a little bit big, but when it comes to flannel shirts, that's kind of the vibe that I try to go for. I love the fact that the zipper is right there on the front. It just looks like a perfect flannel for the Thanksgiving. I don't even know what's going on for the holidays, but regardless, you're set with Fashion Nova. That's all I'm gonna say. Clean piece. You got that little pocket on the front right there. I just really love the fact that it has zippers because it's so easy to get in and out of it. Come on, you just can't go wrong with this piece. Y'all probably seeing how I'm styling it right now. I'm probably just looking at y'all all weird on the camera. We do have the Fallen Souls hooded sweatshirt. This is one that I feel like it's gonna look pretty fire on body. It's an all black hoodie, and it does have like a little logo on it that I do think is clean. It has the Fallen Souls logo with a little angel praying. I feel like this is so fire, and it actually feels like a really light cotton, but at the same time it feels fuzzy on the inside. Really clean hoodie. Then on the back you got the big logo. This is fire, bro. It has the Fallen Souls on the top, then it says rest in peace at the bottom with the little angel and the cross. That's fire. I definitely do like this piece, and the black is nuts. I feel like Fashion Nova is slept on a lot. Next, we got the Fallen Soul sweatpants. These are pretty much the same thing as the hoodie, but in sweats. Can't go wrong with these either, bro. Had to pick these up because honestly, if you got one, you need the other. I really wish I would have got these a size down simply because they do fit a little bit on the baggier side. And with the sweats that I showed you before this, I kind of went for a smaller size so that it fits a little more narrow on the feet. I feel like this is really clean though. You got that logo right there on the front. I don't think I would wear both pieces together. That's just some Nike tracksuit looking ass. I don't really wear pants like that, but these are some everyday sweats. That's kind of what I was trying to go for on this haul. Got the Fallen Souls logo dead on the front, and I love sweatpants that have branding right there. It gives it a little bit of a flair. It's not just some regular black sweats. You got a little bit of sazon, you know what I mean? These are fire though nonetheless. Y'all can see how I styled it right there. I feel like I wouldn't style these with the same hoodie. That's not the type of person that I am. I kind of like mismatching things. I just feel like both of these pieces were fire individually, and that's probably why I went for it. So right here we have the Can't Take It pullover hoodie. This one is not that bad. Yo, this one is actually a vibe. It's like an oversized, hella oversized hoodie in like this charcoal black colors, almost like this wash color. I feel like this is another one of those essential pieces that you definitely want to have when it comes to fall time, because it is dark and gloomy out there. These are to match the first sweats that I showed you. This is kind of the set to it. Once again, I wouldn't wear it together, but I do feel like the individual pieces are fire. And the hoodie in itself was probably like 20 bucks. I feel like when it comes to Fashion Nova, they have some really high quality items that you could find for maybe a fraction of what it would go for in a regular store, done better. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know if y'all noticed, but when it comes to Fashion Nova, at least this time around, I went for a lot of subtle things, because when it comes to fall and winter time, I typically like toning my shit down like by 10. I just feel like it's dark out there, you feel me? Just trying to vibe out. This is another one that I've been eyeing for a minute, and it did sell out, so I had to wait until it came back, and I made my move, bro. This is a banger. It gives me like Fear of God vibes. You got that LA on the front. Come on. Fire piece in general. I definitely look forward to wearing this. It doesn't really have anything on the back. I feel like I might even bleach this piece. I wonder what that would look like, but fire jacket nonetheless. Really excited to pull this off with a fit. You got that L and then the A on the other side, and I feel like this jacket is bananas, bro. Really excited to put this on a fit. This with a nice little black sweater under it, killing the game softly. Like, don't even play with them. I just want to give a major shout out to Fashion Nova for sponsoring this video. I'm not gonna lie, Fashion Nova are the goats. We actually got a couple more pieces to talk about. I know I said I didn't want a lot of rips, this, that, and the third. These pants have more rips than anything I've seen in my life, but they just look fire. I couldn't say no to these right here. They kind of look like some Amiri style jeans, and that's kind of why I went for it. One thing that I did like is the fact that it is backed up. It actually does have like a backing to it, and it does have rips all over it. Don't get it twisted, there is rips all over these, but I feel like these were like some Flint 13s or something. I don't know what I would wear these with, but I feel like I can pull them off, and that's why I picked them up. These are a clean color as well, and honestly, this is the size that I should have went for those other jeans in, because the cuff does look way smaller on these than the other pair of pants, and they still look like they'll fit me a little loose. These are premium denim as well, so shout out to Fashion Nova with the quality. We got two more pieces to go over, then we'll get straight up out the building. Right here we do have the Marcelo plaid long sleeve shirt. This is in the blue colorway. I kind of had to settle for this one because the one that I wanted sold out. It was like a red one. I got no problem with it, kind of. This is fire. I really do like this. Once again, you have the raw hems at the bottom. Really do like that feature on this button up. It just looks like another festive, like, let me wear this on Christmas Eve looking ass button up. This is clean though, and I feel like this, even with the royal toes, would go hard. Maybe with the regular royals it would go fire. This is just a clean button up shirt, and with some Jordan 1s, this, and maybe some regular denim, you good, bro. That's all you need. Royal toes with this, killing the game, bro. But I'm not gonna lie, this is probably one of my favorite pieces that I picked up. I feel like there's very little times when I pick up button ups, and I'm really glad that I got these two new button ups in my collection, because I do find myself needing button ups and I never buy them. We are gonna get into this last piece, which is the big boy item. Right here we do have this bomber jacket. This is like a coat almost, so I'm excited to have this. I feel like it's about to get nippy out there, and you need a black jacket at all times, bro. Save the black jackets, because we need them. I'm about to put a jacket over a jacket, so this shit gonna look tight as hell. I don't know if you out here double jacketing it, but this is not worth it. Definitely want to put this together with a fit. You definitely need something like this in your attire, in your daily fits, because this is just something subtle, and that's kind of what I went for with all these items. This is the Hit the Line bomber jacket. This is one that you definitely can't go wrong with. They had a couple more colors as well, but this was my favorite thus far, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. That was every item that I had to show you guys from this Fashion Nova monthly haul. This was my fall haul. Slight bars, but if y'all enjoyed, slap a like on this video down below. Please subscribe to the channel if you would like more of this type of content, and hey, if you guys show me enough love, I will go ahead and bring you guys another Fashion Nova video. Make sure you go ahead and show love in the comments as well. Check out Fashion Nova at the top of the description if you're interested in any of these items that I picked up. They definitely have some heat, and you don't want to miss out on it. The sales are crazy as well. But with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.